Click Setting on the panel. At the lower right corner, click Mirror Adjust. Change Auto Correction to Manual Correction. Enter the Deform page to manually correct Galvo distortion. Press F2 to start processing. The Galvo will process an uncalibrated square to check for distortion. Adjust the X pillow and Y pillow parameters to correct the square shape. After adjustment, press F2 again to start processing. When the square shape is correct, the Galvo distortion correction is complete. Go back to setting and configure the following parameters. Position indication lines, 32. Correction range, 70. Then click Save Parameters. Return to the position page, select X position, and press F1 to start processing. X-axis processing. Use a ruler to measure the actual distance between each process point. Enter the measured values into the corresponding input fields. Select Y position and press F1 to start processing. Y-axis processing video. Use a ruler to measure the actual distance between each process point. Enter the measured values into their corresponding positions.